Guys, this is Auntie again. I'm here again to share with you another recipe or a snack or dessert. Yeah, so yes, I remember. Shout out to all my ex-cuber subscribers. Thank you very much. Appreciate. We have 10,000 already, guys. Wow, 10,000. So yes, guys, thank you so much for subscribe this channel and support my channel. Very much appreciate, guys. Yeah, so the recipe or dessert or whatever you call snack is here you go, guys. So there you go, all my ingredients, just a simple thing, just guys. And I just comes in my mind that I tried to make like this. And yeah, so now I tried and making the recipe, guys. It's a instant coffee butter cookies, guys. Just make just a little bit to see how is the taste, what looks like the taste. And yes, so let's get started and I show you all my ingredients. And yeah, I think it's a simple or basic. And yes, and yeah, if you wanna support this channel, just go down under the description box below and go ahead to check my member channel link. Just check there, guys. So yeah, thank you very much for your unending support to this channel, guys, and for your support just to make more content that I can share to you guys. And please comment so that I know also your reaction. And please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell and all, so that when I have a new video to upload, you will be notified to you guys, new video or videos. Yeah, yes. So this is our ingredients, guys. We have, this one is hot water, but we need only 1 tablespoon. And I just put like in a bowl because I show to you guys. And this is 100 grams flour, cake flour, and this is 30 grams icing sugar, and this one is a 30 grams cornstarch. Then this is the butter, unsalted butter, 113 grams, and we have 1 tablespoon salt. And this is the main ingredients in this recipe, guys. Is a instant coffee, but we need only 1 tablespoon with this, guys. Yeah, okay, so let's get started to mix everything, this, guys. And yeah, you can see here inside the video all the process or the steps to do, guys. So here we go, we have a baking this to mixing the ingredients, guys. So we pour here inside this bowl, big bowl. Yes, cake flour, the cornstarch, icing sugar, salt, and then we need to melt first the butter, guys, and then pour in here to mix this one. So then we take also the instant coffee. We need 1 tablespoon. So I need to cut this one and pour 1 tablespoon, guys. So there you go. So let's leave here first because we go and need to melt this one, butter. So here. straw in the butter, guys. Wow, it's hard. Oh, starting to melting the butter. So here we go. We take back this one, the mixing dried ingredients. So we pour in the butter. And we need to add 1 tablespoon water, hot water, guys. So this is hot water. We need 1 tablespoon. So this is now, guys, but I'm using the scoop for ice cream to form the thing, guys. So looks, guys, this is now our cookies. This is we call this one coffee butter cookies, guys. Nice. So this is the instant coffee butter cookies, guys. So yeah, so let's give a try or a bite. Wow, yummy, creamy, guys, so creamy. So delicious, crunchy. Wow, really great, guys. I never use sugar here, guys. You can see inside the video my ingredients. Wow, really, I can believe it. And hope you like this video, a simple food blog to you guys. So always stay kind to everyone around you, and please comment down below so that I know also your reaction, and hope you doing great every day, guys. And yeah, so you wanna try this simple recipe, guys, I just write down all my ingredients under the description box below, and you are feel free to check. If you wish to make, yes, give thumbs up. So I end my video here, guys. Hope you enjoy to watch this video. Okay, and next time, see you again, guys. Bye.